Hong Kong, a city that disposes of 6,400 tons of trash per day, more than 900 elephants worth of trash. Fun fact, did you know that the ratio of trash cans to recycle bins in Hong Kong was 14 to 1 in 2017? Well, we are Group 91 of the CISCO Innovation Challenge, and our solution to this problem is the SmartLid, which can not only help to reduce costs for recyclers, but also provide economic incentives for consumers and hopefully increase the recycling rate from 35% now to 50% or above in the next 10 years. Monitoring and pathfinding system. One of the unique main functions of the SmartLid is that it can monitor both the inside and outside of the bin. Once bottles begin to pile up, a tripwire source is activated. This notifies users to use other recycling bins and sends a signal to recyclers to send out the recycling trucks. This in turn activates the Pathfinder system, which can minimize costs for recyclers by selecting the minimal fuel usage, optimal pathway for the recycling trucks to collect the most recyclables from most of the near full bins. Octopus redemption and anti-abuse system. One of the main problems with Hong Kong's existing recycling system is the lack of incentives for people to recycle properly and regularly. But that's going to change with the octopus redemption system. With the system, before we simply recycle, first we use an octopus to identify ourselves. Then we dump our recyclables inside and we get redeemable points to purchase products from sponsoring companies. Also, this can prevent abuse of the recycling bin because people can be identified. Additionally, the lid prevents unrecyclables from being dumped in. This is because it remains closed and only opens once the user and what is being recycled have been identified. To reiterate, SmartLid can not only connect and monitor all the recycle bins in Hong Kong, but it can incentivize recycling on a large enough scale to make it profitable. Thus, it will play a pivotal role in ensuring the transition of Hong Kong from a wasted, polluted city to an urban metropolis of the future. Then, and only then, with you guys at Cisco's utmost support, can we bring a better, greener, cleaner future to all of Hong Kong.